spray, check. Water purifier, check. Band-aids. I feel like I'm forgetting something.
Oh, cool! The all-in-one adventurer's knife. I'll be in charge of this.
That's not for you.
Hey, Dad, look at this. Did you know the Amazon has snakes that can swallow you whole?
Actually, Bia, all those stories are highly exaggerated.
No, really. Look. Oh, that's sick.
All right, we ready to go? A fanny pack.
Yeah, Linda gave it to me. I need it for the GPS. Oh, with the GPS.
Carla, we're leaving.
I'm not going. It's gonna be lame.
Okay, here it is. The voice recognition makes it totally foolproof. Here, watch this. Find Linda and Tulio.
Searching for dinner in Tokyo.
Oh, okay. Well, actually, that does sound like a nice suggestion.
You trust this woman?
Yes, I do.
Hey, wait up, family! I'm coming too! Don't worry, buddy. We got your back.
Eva let you come?
Sure. I promised her a spot in the Carnival show.
You did what?
You guys are late.
Clock late, but musician early.
Wait, you guys are coming?
We wouldn't miss it for the world. We gonna scout the wildest, coolest talent in the jungle. It's our inspiration for this year's Carnival show, Amazon Untamed.
Cool. I mean, yeah, okay. I guess I'll go.
Amazon Jungle and Bus, baby. Who is ready for a tropical adventure?
I know. Let's go.
Wait, we didn't do a head count. Hey, guys, wait up.
Recalculating.
Hey, Burns! Come back! They left without me. Again. That's messed up.